Hey guys, welcome back to another cocktail vlog. My name is Johnny, this is Simple Drinks. It's time for another delicious recipe. I was doing a little research and trying to find something that contains Grand Marnier because I got my hands on a bottle. And I found an interesting cocktail called Pink Palace. The Pink Palace is a signature drink at the Polo Lounge. It's a famous hotel in Beverly Hills in California. And the Polo Lounge is also known as the Pink Palace, and it's the hotel that inspired the Eagles' Hotel California song, and it is featured on their album cover, which is quite interesting. It's a delicious combination of London dried gin, Grand Marnier, lime juice and Grenadine. So without further ado, let's make a Pink Palace. We are going to start with gin, 45 ml, 1.5 ounce. Followed by Grand Marnier, 15 ml, half an ounce. Ah, smells good. Next is lime juice, 10 ml, 1/3 of an ounce. And last but not least, Grenadine. It says 5 ml, but let's make it a dash, so that's about it. Add ice into your shaker. And shake the cocktail for about 10 to 12 seconds. Beautiful. Ooh, smells nice. Now, we need a pre-chilled glass. Discard the ice, of course. And strain the cocktail. Double strain it because of, little pieces of fruit and ice. You don't want it in your drink. Garnish with a lemon wheel, lime wheel, lemon zest, lime zest, whatever you got at your hand. Look at that. Gorgeous. And ladies and gentlemen, that's it. Pink Palace. Cheers. Oh, delicious. Delicious mix of all these different flavors. You have to try this. I cannot explain it, you have to try this. This is definitely a good cocktail. Beautiful. Well, ladies and gents, that's it. We made a Pink Palace. Delicious cocktail. Try it. Let me know in the comments below what you think. If you want to see more recipes, the playlist will be somewhere over here. And thank you very much for your support. See you in the next video. Bye bye.